Aeropak Shoe Cleaner Spray is a fast-acting cleaner that ideal for restoring the look of soiled shoes. The high-quality active agent we use can make the foam richer, and the cleaning effect is more obvious, which effectively removes stubborn stains. The shoe cleaner can maximize the cleaning effect without using water. Shoe foam cleaner is easy use. Just simply remove the top, shake the bottle, spray the foam, and either scrub, wipe, or use our scrub top, then wipe to clean. The penetrating foam off white leather shoes cleaner breaks down dirt and stains quickly, leaving no messy residue. It is ideal for use on all smooth leather, nylon and canvas sneakers and sport shoes. The neutral formula does not hurt the shoes, even makes the shoes more colorful, delaying the speed at which your loved shoe gets old, and keeping it clean and bright. The effect on white shoes is also very good. Our white shoes cleaner spray works on just about everything, and is great for sneakers, shoes, boots, rubber, hiking and more.